What are we doing today? Me? You?
You.
I'm picking?
Sorry. Yeah, I did last time.
3. I don't know why. I just felt like a 3.
Yep.
All right. What's going to be in there?
Let's see if he has the magic touch.
Okay, here we go. What's going to be in here? What did we get yesterday? Oh, a common orca.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. I don't even know what we need. Peppermint orca would be cool.
Yeah, we know we don't have him. Oh my god.
Uncommon trapjaw. Now, do we have an uncommon trapjaw?
Yep.
Probably, right? Let's take a look at the cereal. Okay. And back to the backpack. Are you sure? Are you sure? Ah, yep. There we go. We had one. We had another. Okay, cool. But we don't have... what we don't have is any trap jaws open.
Mm-hmm.
So now that we have 2 of them, we can open 1. Because we've never seen a trap jaw come to life.
None. Not even one.
And here's why this is going to be interesting. Because he has that little hook, right, that's separate. So I wonder if this is going to be on his arm, is it going to come with him, or is this going to be something we'll get later when we have the opportunity for items. So let's see what happens when he jumps up. Oh, he put it on and then he clipped it. That was awesome.
Yeah.
He's really scary.
I like him when he opens.
So now, let's see. Yep, there it is.
He has it on him. I wish we could use it. Big snap. They sound like kids when they jump.
They do. All right, cool. So he's wearing the claw. Now, hopefully, when items and stuff come out, we'll have interchangeable things maybe that can go on, and we'll see how that works. But that was really cool to watch him come to life, holding it in one hand and then clipping it on the other hand and then going, bing, bing. Fun. Mm-hmm. Cool. All right. So that was a good pull, right? It's one we haven't seen before. We had it, but we haven't seen him come to life. So that was a good pull.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
He does have the magic touch.
I do.
Yes.
Cool. All right.
I lost my magic touch.
You did? You gonna maybe tomorrow you'll try to get it back? All right, let's see. We'll see. Does Nikki have it or not? We'll find out next.